it's Nurmeet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Red Luna Journal. Today I'm filming a little makeup tutorial, kind of makeup routine for spring. It's just gonna be like a very simple makeup look that I wear out on the weekends, and I have some new products that I wanted to try with you guys. So yeah, with that being said, let's get on with the rest of the video. So I went to Sephora this past weekend and got color matched for a new concealer finally, because I've literally been using the same one for so long. So it's the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 1.5. I got the mini size for now because they didn't have the full size available, but I'm going to start off with this concealer as my base and just kind of conceal the points that I want to in my face, any like blemishes, those sorts of things. I also got new beauty blenders. I had my old one for so long, it was kind of disgusting. So these ones are actually from Miniso, which is so random, but they're really cute. There's like a small one for like the nose area and like the under eyes, and like bigger ones too. So I'm actually gonna use this small one for the concealer, especially like under my eyes and stuff like that. And I'm gonna go wet these real quick. First thoughts on this concealer, I really like it. I think the formula is really hydrating, which is super important for me. I feel like most concealers are really drying sometimes, like the Tarte Shape Tape one. It has like really good full coverage, but it is drying, at least for my skin, like during the winter time. I'm just gonna kind of touch up on the little blemish I have, and I'm just gonna blend it in with my fingers so I can have more of the product rather than having it soak into the blender. So to set my face, I'm going to be using the Mineral Rice Setting Powder in the shade Dark. It's just a super light powder. I really like it because it doesn't like cake, but it does kind of give you that like matte finish. So I'm just going to pick this up on a beauty blender and then blend it all over my face. Now I'm going to move on to blush. So I use a Youngblood Pressed Mineral Blush in the shade Blossom, which is this really pretty like kind of like salmon pink or like peach pink. I'm basically going to take this with a giant fluffy brush and just kind of like put it all over my face. I really love blush now, so I kind of just put it everywhere. Obviously trying to start on like the high points of my cheeks and then blending downwards. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so there's the blush. I don't really use bronzer or like contour powder or any of that, so that's why I kind of put the blush everywhere. I feel like it just kind of like puts some color back into my face. So now I'm gonna go in with highlighter, which is from the same brand, Youngblood, and it's the Mineral Radiance Quad in Splendor. So it's this little quad thing of like 4 different colors. I usually only use this rose gold and like the champagne color, and I'm gonna be using this. It's a foundation brush actually, but I really like how like thin and flat it is. It's very soft, so I like it for applying highlighter. Okay, so like I said, for the eyes, I'm gonna be going for a very warm look. So I'm gonna kind of use tones of like this, which is more of like, I don't know, like a dirt orange pink almost, or like a mud brown red. Those are 2 different colors. I'm gonna blend it in my crease with more of like the dark brown shades. So I'm gonna now go in with these like darker shades here and blend that in my crease and more like focus it on the outer corner. Okay, so that's the crease area blended out. Like I said, I just kind of went for like a more of a dark brown, like warm tone. So I'm gonna go back in with these 2 shades and just pack that on my lid. I'm gonna go back in with the highlighter now and take that on a very small pointed brush and just go in underneath my eyebrow for the highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with eyeliner now. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte eyeliner in Ultra Black. So it's just this like pen eyeliner. I'm just gonna use it on my waterline and kind of to line the upper lashes so it looks better with the lashes. I don't really like how the smokiness looks. I feel like it needs a little bit more of a defined liner. So I'm actually gonna go in with this one, which is the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. And it's my favorite liquid eyeliner. Okay, that's pretty much as even as it's gonna get for me. I did kind of mess up and like do a little mark on my eyelid there, but we're just gonna pretend that we didn't see that. So next I'm gonna go in to my lashes. So I'm gonna curl my lashes and then put mascara on them. I use the CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara. This is the only one I really like. I know it's really old. And then I'm gonna go into apply lashes as well after. So normally I use the individual Kiss lash strips. So it's like this. I really like these because it kind of gives you the option to actually change it to your eye shape and adapt it and make it more natural. But at the same time, it takes a really long time to do because it's tedious. There's so many different strips and all of that. So I actually got these new ones from Ardell. They're the natural line in 110. So we're gonna try these out today. Wow, so I got really lucky. I actually was able to do both today in just one try. I really like how they look. They feel really nice and light. I like how natural they are. I think sometimes for my eyes, there's not a lot of space in between my lash line and my eyebrow. So a lot of lashes, I ordered these lashes from Amazon by the company Dye Silk, I think. And they looked really good. Ooh, that just flew. They looked really good on this girl in her TikTok. So that's why I ordered it. But they literally reach the top of my eyebrow, so it just makes me look like a clown. Okay, so now that I'm done with lashes, I'm gonna go into brows. I'm gonna fill in my brows very sparsely, just in the spots that I feel like I need a little bit of touch up, with the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal Paris in the shade Dark Brunette. And then I'll use this, which is the Great Lash Clear Transparent from the brand Maybelline. And I just use this to kind of set my brows and kind of brush it upwards. Normally, I actually keep this like this and keep it all very feathered, but recently I've been liking the look of keeping it clean. So I just kind of take it down like this. Honestly, I used to do this in high school, so it's kind of weird to go back to that, but I feel like it just looks a little bit more clean, which is kind of the look I'm going for as well. Okay, so we're almost done. We pretty much did everything. We're gonna move on to lips now. That's the last step. I think today what I'm going to do is take my lipstick that I really like, which is the Taupe Matte MAC lipstick, which is this color. I've shown it on my channel before. It's just a simple matte nudie brown. I really like this color. I feel like it's just complimenting. So I'm just gonna take this, kind of dab it everywhere, and then I'll top it off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. All right guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.